Hello everybody, my name is Jacqueline Kosick. I'm the electrical lead for the Robot in 30 Hours Kettering FTC team. I'm going to be talking to you about our strategy for our game. So we have our ideal strategy, which is if we had like 3 months to really get a good auto going and a really good robot design. And then we have our actual, which is what is more realistic for our actual time frame of auto and what our robot's capable of doing right now.
Giving you a voice.
Making it loud our own way.
Welcome to the fun.
First Updates Now is supported by Kettering University. Kettering University is where robotics students come for their education. Over 30% of those who attend Kettering University were in high school robotics, and you can keep going with their BattleBots, VexU, esports, and FIRST mentorship programs. If you are a U.S. student grades 8 through 12, scan the QR code to stay up to date on info and events happening at Kettering and get a free Kettering t-shirt when you sign up.
So going into the ideal, we would want to be placing our team shipping element on the barcode for auto. We'd want to identify where it is located to determine what is the correct level to place the freight on the shipping hub. We'd also want to pick up our team shipping element just because we don't want to risk it getting knocked over and then being disoriented. So we'd also want to, now this auto is if we are starting on the right side of the field, so closer to the carousel. We would want to then go over, after placing our preloaded freight into the shipping hub, we'd want to go over and drop the duck from the carousel. And then we'd want to park fully into storage. So then going into teleop, we would want to prioritize putting the ball freight in this high level of our Alliance hub. That's the high level itself is worth 6 points there. And then we would want to focus on our blocks our block freights placed in the middle and low level. Since those are going to be heavier, it'll be easier it won't be as tippy if it's placed lower. So depending if it's placed in the middle, that would be 4 points, and low would be 2. Then we'd want to also start throwing our block freight into the shared hub because we want to early on try and claim that. And throughout teleop, we want to work on keeping that our Alliance hub or team hub balanced. So then going into endgame, we definitely want to try and cap our Alliance hub. And then we also want to go and drop ducks from the carousel, drop as many ducks as we can, since there'll be like 9 or 10 there. We also want to try and claim the shared hub, and then fully park in the warehouse and have our team hub or our Alliance hub balanced. So that's our overall ideal strategy. There's definitely more you can do with auto. If say you're going to be starting on the left side, the side closer to the warehouse, there's a different strategy for that. But that's not what we focused on for this. This was just if we're on the right side. So moving on to our actual strategy for this time period of Robot in 30 Hours. We again are going to be starting on the right side of the field for auto. And we are going to be placing our team shipping element on the barcode. But we are not planning on identifying where the shipping element is just due to time constraints. And from there, we will pick, I'm not sure what it will be, if it's going to be low, middle, or high, but we are going to have just a default position to always place that preloaded freight in. And there is the chance that we get lucky that it's the bonus level. So there is that chance. We also want to drop the duck and then park fully in storage. Moving on to teleop, we just want to score any freight in any level of our Alliance hub, as well as throwing it into our shared hub. We also, again, want to try and strategize to be keeping our Alliance hub level and balanced. Moving into endgame, we want to try and cap our Alliance hub. We also want to drop the ducks and then park fully in the warehouse, and then also try and keep our team hub or Alliance hub balanced. So that's our strategy for this game that we came up with. Hopefully you guys will stay tuned for all of this. It would be great. And stay tuned, look for more videos on First Updates Now YouTube channel and into the stream as well. Thank you very much, guys.
Thanks to Kettering University for their support of this video. Don't just sit in class. Kettering University is the only school in the US that allows you to work as an engineer your first year with their 3-month on, 3-month off co-op programs. If you are a US student grades 8 through 12, scan the QR code to stay up to date on info and events happening at Kettering and get a free Kettering t-shirt when you sign up by December 12th, 2021. Thank you to AndyMark, GoBuilda, and Rev Robotics for providing components and giveaways to the Bulldogs Robot in 30 Hours team. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date on our new videos. Keep the conversation going and provide your input to our content. Watch our live shows at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow. Join our Discord at discord.gg/firstupdatesnow and check out Fun FTC on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and First Updates Now on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.